Guys, apart from using Napier as a fodder, you can also use it to conserve the water levels for your dam. Welcome to K&M Farms. Today we are going to be sharing our dam and how we conserve it and how we use it for irrigation. As you can see, we have planted Napier all around the dam, and you can see it's very long and it's intentional. The reason as to why we have not cut it because it is helping us conserve the water levels. Now here in Joska we really have strong winds and a lot of winds. So when you have the Napier there, it's able to slow down the movement of the wind and the strength of the wind, so that the wind will not go to the dam and cause some movements or evaporation. So that's one main benefit why we let the Napier grow to that extent and why we haven't cut it. Another reason, when you plant Napier around a dam, it cautions people. It lets them know that there's a dam there, so it can prevent some accidents. And it also offers some aesthetic features. It makes your farm look orderly and look nice. It also prevents soil erosion. Now, with soil erosion, it's something you really have to bear in mind when you have a dam. That's because if you don't prevent soil erosion, the run of water will be causing your dam to be filled with soil. Now, what happens if you have a dam that is filled with soil? It means that you have soil there instead of water, and what you need to have there, it's water and not soil or sand for that matter. So that's how we conserve our dam. We ensure that we conserve the water levels because we are farming in Ukambani. And in Ukambani, it's a dry place. I know Kambas don't like to hear that, but then it's a dry place. So when we receive rain, we really appreciate it. And currently our dams are full and we want to conserve as much water as possible for when it's not a rainy season. I hope you guys learned something about water conservation using dams and how you can make sure that your dams serve you for as long as possible. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also follow us on our other social medias. We are in TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram as K&M Farms. Bye.